What's up guys, you're welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about how to speed up your Android device. If you enjoy mobile related content like this one, please subscribe and click the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's jump right in. The first way to speed up your Android device we'll be talking about today is to uninstall apps that you do not use. To do that, we go to settings. Of course, settings is open already. We go to app and notifications. You'll see a list of recently used apps. Tap on see all to see all the apps that you have on your phone. So you scroll down to one of the apps that you do not use really often. To demonstrate this, I want to uninstall this app here, eToro. So I tap on it and hit uninstall. Once I do that, the app is removed and more space is made available on my device. You have to go through all the list of apps and uninstall all the apps that you do not use. By doing that, you are freeing up space, making it easier for your device to run even faster. Assuming that you've uninstalled all the apps that you do not use, you'll discover that there are some apps that you cannot uninstall. That is because those are pre-installed apps, and that is what we'll be talking about right now. Go back into apps and notifications. Tap on one of the apps that were pre-installed. In this case, I'm tapping on Palm Store. It came with the phone. You see the option to disable that app. So you tap on disable to disable that pre-installed app. Once you've done that, you are also creating more space on your device and thereby speeding up your device as well. Another way of speeding up Android is by making use of lite versions of your favorite apps. Typical example, Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media app that you use, to avoid using up a lot of memory. So to do that, you go to Play Store. On the search bar, you can type Facebook Lite. If what you are looking for is Twitter, you can type Twitter Lite and install that instead of installing the full version of the app that is likely going to take a lot more memory. Now, another thing you can do in terms of social media access is that you can access it through your phone browser. If you access, of course, you can access Facebook, you can access Twitter, etc. from your mobile browsers to avoid installing any app whatsoever that will clog up your memory space and thereby slowing down your device. Now, another option is using lightweight versions of your favorite browser. Unfortunately, there is no lightweight version of Chrome, but there is a lightweight version of Firefox. So you can go to Google Play and type Firefox Lite and install that instead of Chrome. It does almost about everything that Chrome can do, so that will also help. Imagine having a lightweight version of Firefox and then accessing all your social media only through your browser. That means there's a lot less that is clogging up your memory and slowing down your device. Another important way of speeding up your device is removing animations in developer options. Removing animations, because anytime you move from one screen to the other, there's an animation that is played, and these animations also help in slowing down the device. And to remove animations and transitions, you go to settings, tap on system, scroll down to the bottom here. You will see developer options, but in some phones you may not have developer options. So to enable developer options, tap on about phone. Look down, you'll see the build number, so you tap on the build number several times, about 7 times, your security pin, and then step back into system. You'll see developer options. So you tap on developer options and scroll down to where you have window animation scale. Once you find window animation scale, you tap on it and then set it to animation off. Tap on animator duration scale, set it to animation off as well. Transition animation scale, set it to animation off. Once you've done that, you see that the window transitions a lot faster and gives you a feel of a much faster device. Now, there is a bonus tip I want to add. You can as well set your background process limit still in developer options. So let's go back to developer options, tap on developer options, look for background process limit. Limiting background processes means that not many apps will be hanging around in the background and slowing down your device. Background process limit. So you tap on that, set it to at most 4 processes. Please try not to limit the background process to less than 4 processes, because there may be other very important processes that are working in the background. So let it be that the device has a little bit of wiggle room to allow the very important processes to run, and then kill off any other thing that is above 4 processes.
Now that you know how to speed up your mobile device, please share this video and watch this other video that will be linked in this place, and click here to subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever a new video is available. See you in the next one.